So here I have the Nightlight Angel. It's a nightlight that's an outlet cover that has LED lighting on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the outlet and take a look. So I went ahead and removed the outlet cover. I took the little nightlight out. So the little nightlight has two little metal pieces on the side. That's going to power the lights that are on the bottom. These are little LED lights. And then this little round piece, that's the sensor to determine if it's night or day. So these slide in. Go. There you go. So the outlet's covered, and then you have a night light that's not taking up one of your outlets, and then the light comes on automatically when it gets dark. So these can be bought in the other styles well with the rounded outlets, so that it comes in both models. I bought this one at Home Depot. I'm pretty sure you can get them anywhere else, maybe Lowe's or Walmart. Maybe even Amazon. I'll check after I'm done making this video if it's on Amazon. If it is, I'll just go ahead and put the link on the bottom. One other thing is that just to keep in mind, these will not fit on the larger GFI style outlets. So if you're thinking of putting it in the kitchen or in the bathroom, it's not going to fit, so you're not going to be able to use it on a GFI outlet. It's too big and it won't fit through the little gap inside the box. So here's kind of what it looks like in the dark. The light will illuminate just the general floor in that area, so it won't light the entire room, which is good if you have it in a bedroom, and then you won't have that night light shining on you when you're trying to sleep. So it's directed downward, but it's very useful for hallways, places where you just want to be able to see your footing when you're walking through, and you just need minimal amount of light to go through. And the best part is that with the automatic LEDs, it turning on and off, you really don't have to think about it or worry about it.